In a world not so different from our own, where the hum of technology often drowned out the whispers of nature, there lived a young woman named Sarah. She was a scientist at heart, a seeker of knowledge, and had always yearned for an adventure that would take her to the farthest corners of the earth. One day, her dream began to take shape as she stumbled upon an ancient map in the dusty archives of a forgotten library. The map was unlike any she had ever seen. It was a beautifully illustrated parchment that depicted the Earth's wonders in vivid detail. It promised to unveil the hidden secrets of the planet, from the deepest oceans to the highest peaks. Sarah knew that this was her chance, her call to adventure, and without hesitation, she set off to explore the wonders that awaited her. Her journey began in the heart of a lush rainforest, where towering trees reached for the heavens and a symphony of exotic birds filled the air with their melodious songs. The canopy above formed a green cathedral, and Sarah felt as if she had entered a sacred realm. As she ventured deeper into the forest, Sarah marveled at the intricate web of life that surrounded her. She encountered scientists who had devoted their lives to studying the biodiversity of this remarkable ecosystem. They introduced her to species of plants and animals that were found nowhere else on Earth, each one a testament to the wonders of evolution. One scientist explained how the symbiotic relationship between certain plants and insects was a delicate dance that had evolved over millions of years. Another showed Sarah a dazzling array of orchids, each one more exquisite than the last, and shared the fascinating ways they had adapted to attract pollinators. Sarah was captivated by the interconnectedness of life in the rainforest, how every creature played a unique role in the ecosystem's intricate dance. She realized that this web of life was not confined to the forest but extended across the entire planet, binding all living things together in a delicate balance. As she continued her journey, Sarah encountered indigenous people who had lived in harmony with the rainforest for generations. They shared their wisdom and knowledge of the land, teaching her about the medicinal properties of plants and the importance of preserving their ancestral home. With each step deeper into the rainforest, Sarah's appreciation for the Earth's wonders grew. She understood that the forest was not just a source of scientific discovery but a sanctuary of life that deserved protection. Her heart swelled with a newfound sense of purpose. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting the rainforest in a tapestry of colors, Sarah made camp for the night. She lay beneath the starry canopy of the jungle, listening to the nocturnal symphony of insects and frogs. It was here, in the heart of the rainforest, that her extraordinary journey had truly begun, and she could hardly wait to see what wonders the earth had in store for her next. The following morning, Sarah awoke to the gentle caress of the tropical dawn. The forest was alive with the chatter of monkeys and the distant rumble of a hidden waterfall. As she prepared to resume her journey, Sarah couldn't help but reflect on the intricate web of life she had witnessed the previous day. Her path led her deeper into the heart of the rainforest, where the lush vegetation seemed to close in around her. Vibrant butterflies danced in the dappled sunlight, and iridescent beetles scuttled along the forest floor. Sarah marveled at the kaleidoscope of colors and the dazzling array of life that surrounded her. Along the way, she met a group of researchers studying the behavior of leafcutter ants. These tiny creatures were a testament to the extraordinary cooperation found in nature. Each ant had a specific role in the colony, from foraging to defending the nest. Sarah watched in fascination as the ants carried leaf fragments many times their size back to their underground chambers, where they used the leaves to cultivate a special fungus that served as their primary food source. The researchers explained how this intricate cooperation extended beyond the ants themselves. Fungi, in turn, relied on the ants to spread their spores to new locations, ensuring their own survival. It was a perfect example of how every species in the rainforest played a unique role in the web of life, and the balance of the ecosystem depended on their collective efforts. As Sarah continued her journey, she encountered a scientist studying the remarkable relationship between fig trees and their pollinating wasps. The fig tree's survival depended on a specific species of wasp, and in return, the wasp relied on the fig tree for its life cycle. They had co-evolved over millions of years, each species finely tuned to the other's needs. The scientist explained how the fig tree produced a special structure called a syconium, which provided a safe haven for the wasps to lay their eggs. In return, the wasps carried the fig's pollen to other trees, ensuring their pollination and reproduction. It was a delicate dance of mutual dependence that showcased the intricacies of nature's interconnectedness. As the day wore on, Sarah found herself at the banks of a crystal-clear river that meandered through the rainforest. She waded into the cool water, surrounded by lush vegetation and the soothing sounds of flowing water. Here, she met an ecologist who explained the importance of river ecosystems. The ecologist shared how rivers served as vital corridors for the movement of nutrients and energy through the rainforest. They provided habitat for countless species of fish, amphibians, and insects, and their banks were home to a variety of plants and trees. Sarah learned that healthy rivers were essential to maintaining the overall health of the rainforest and the broader web of life. As the sun dipped below the canopy once more, Sarah couldn't help but feel a profound sense of awe for the intricate web of life that enveloped her. The rainforest was a living tapestry of biodiversity, where every species, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, played a crucial role in the grand symphony of nature. She realized that her journey was not just a scientific exploration, it was a deepening connection to the Earth's wonders and a growing commitment to protect them. With this newfound understanding, she eagerly looked forward to the next leg of her adventure. With the secrets of the rainforest etched into her memory, Sarah's journey through the wonders of the earth continued. She left the vibrant green embrace of the rainforest behind and set out for a new destination, a rugged mountain range that beckoned with its towering peaks and geological mysteries. As she ascended into the mountains, the air grew crisp, and the landscape changed dramatically. Sarah was met by a geologist who explained the awe-inspiring forces that had shaped these colossal formations over millions of years. The geologist gestured to the jagged cliffs and majestic peaks, explaining that they were the result of tectonic plate movements. These colossal pieces of the Earth's crust were constantly shifting, colliding, and sliding past each other. It was a slow and relentless dance that had given rise to the breathtaking mountain ranges Sarah now beheld. Sarah listened in fascination as the geologist described the immense forces at work beneath her feet. The Earth's lithosphere, a rigid outer layer, was divided into tectonic plates that floated on the semi-fluid asthenosphere below. When these plates collided, mountains were pushed up, and when they pulled apart, deep ocean trenches were formed. She was shown a cross-section of the Earth, revealing the mantle, a layer of molten rock and intense heat. This molten rock occasionally breached the surface in spectacular volcanic eruptions, giving birth to new landforms and releasing gases that played a vital role in shaping our planet's atmosphere. Sarah couldn't help but marvel at the dynamic nature of the Earth. It was a planet in constant motion, where the very ground she stood on was a testament to the relentless forces that shaped our world. Descending from the lofty peaks, Sarah was guided to the rim of a dormant volcano. She gazed into the vast, cratered expanse below, where ancient lava flows had carved a landscape that seemed otherworldly. The geologist explained that the lava that once spewed from this volcano had been drawn from deep within the Earth's mantle. The dormant volcano was a reminder that the Earth's inner workings were not confined to distant, unreachable depths. They could, on occasion, burst forth in fiery displays of geological might, forever altering the landscape. These eruptions, while potentially destructive, also played a crucial role in creating new land and renewing the Earth's surface. Sarah's journey through the dynamic Earth had unveiled the profound geological forces that shaped our planet. It was a testament to the Earth's enduring resilience and its ever-changing nature. As she left the mountains behind, she carried with her a newfound appreciation for the Earth's geological wonders and a deep sense of wonder at the forces that had created the world she knew. Leaving the towering mountains behind, Sarah's journey led her to the tranquil shores of a vast and shimmering ocean. The sea stretched out before her, its infinite expanse seeming to merge with the horizon. Here, she would explore the mysteries of the world beneath the waves, the wonders of the blue planet. As Sarah ventured closer to the shoreline, she met a marine biologist who was as enthusiastic as the ocean itself. The scientist explained that Earth's oceans covered more than 70% of the planet's surface and were home to a staggering diversity of life, much of it still undiscovered. With a sense of awe, Sarah donned scuba gear and descended into the vibrant world below. As she submerged into the cool, crystal-clear water, she was greeted by a bustling community of marine life. Colorful fish darted between coral reefs adorned with hues so vivid they seemed to defy the imagination. The marine biologist pointed to the intricate structures of the coral reefs and explained their vital role in the ocean's ecosystem. These reefs, built by tiny coral polyps, provided shelter and sustenance for countless species. They were often referred to as the rainforests of the sea due to their remarkable biodiversity. Sarah marveled at the delicate dance of life among the coral. She watched as cleaner shrimp busily tended to the grooming needs of larger fish, forming symbiotic relationships that kept the reef in balance. The marine biologist highlighted the importance of preserving these fragile ecosystems, as they faced threats from climate change, pollution, and overfishing. Descending further into the ocean's depths, Sarah encountered the mesmerizing world of bioluminescence. Tiny creatures emitted bursts of light, creating an enchanting spectacle in the dark depths. The biologist explained that this phenomenon was not only a mesmerizing display but also served as a form of communication, camouflage, and predator avoidance in the mysterious world of the deep sea. Sarah was introduced to a group of whales, Earth's largest mammals, as they breached the surface with magnificent grace. These majestic creatures traveled vast distances across the ocean, their migrations playing a crucial role in the circulation of nutrients. It was a reminder that the ocean was not just a source of wonder but a dynamic and interconnected ecosystem that sustained life on Earth. The marine biologist also emphasized the importance of phytoplankton, tiny organisms that lived near the ocean's surface. These microscopic plants were responsible for producing over half of the planet's oxygen and served as the foundation of the marine food web. Sarah was astounded to learn that these seemingly insignificant creatures played a vital role in maintaining the Earth's atmosphere and supporting all life on the planet. As her underwater adventure continued, Sarah couldn't help but feel a profound sense of reverence for the blue planet. The ocean, with its astonishing biodiversity and vital ecological roles, was a testament to the Earth's intricate and interconnected systems. She realized that protecting the ocean was not just a matter of conservation but a matter of safeguarding the very lifeblood of the planet. With a heart filled with wonder and a newfound determination to protect the ocean, Sarah returned to the surface. Her journey through the blue planet had opened her eyes to the incredible beauty and fragility of Earth's oceans, and she knew that her adventure was far from over. Leaving the enchanting world of the ocean behind, Sarah's journey continued as she ventured into the heart of a dense and ancient rainforest. Here, she would explore the mysteries of the Earth's atmosphere and the delicate balance that governed its climate. As she delved deeper into the forest, Sarah met a climatologist who was conducting research in this lush, green sanctuary. The scientist explained that the Earth's atmosphere was a fragile but vital envelope that enveloped the planet, regulating its temperature and providing the air we breathe. With a keen eye, Sarah observed the thick canopy above, which absorbed sunlight and provided shade below. The climatologist elaborated on how this intricate dance between the sun and the forest played a pivotal role in maintaining the planet's climate. Through photosynthesis, trees converted carbon dioxide into oxygen and absorbed solar energy, helping to cool the Earth. The climatologist guided Sarah to a research station equipped with weather instruments. There, they discussed the greenhouse effect, a fundamental principle that kept the Earth's surface warm enough to support life. Gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapor trapped heat in the atmosphere, much like a blanket. It was a delicate balance. Too much of these greenhouse gases, and the Earth would become unbearably hot. However, Sarah learned that human activities, such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation, were releasing unprecedented amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. This was causing the Earth's average temperature to rise, leading to global warming and disruptions in climate patterns. The climatologist emphasized the urgent need to address climate change through sustainable practices, conservation efforts, and reducing carbon emissions. Sarah realized that the stability of the Earth's climate was at risk, and it was a responsibility that rested on the shoulders of humanity to protect the planet for future generations. As she continued her journey through the rainforest, Sarah encountered a river, its waters glistening under the canopy. The climatologist explained the critical role that rivers played in the Earth's climate system. They served as conduits for the movement of heat and moisture across the planet, redistributing energy and regulating temperatures. Sarah learned that healthy forests, like the ones surrounding her, played a crucial role in maintaining this balance. Trees released water vapor through a process known as transpiration, which contributed to the formation of clouds and rainfall. Healthy forests were essential not only for local ecosystems, but also for maintaining global climate patterns. As night fell, Sarah listened to the rainforest's nocturnal symphony. She realized that this lush green sanctuary was more than just a collection of trees and animals, it was a vital component of the Earth's climate system. Its well-being was intricately linked to the stability of the atmosphere and the regulation of the planet's temperature. With this newfound understanding, Sarah left the rainforest behind, her heart heavy with the knowledge of the fragile balance that governed the Earth's climate. Her journey had opened her eyes to the urgency of protecting the atmosphere and combating climate change. As she continued her adventure, she carried with her a sense of responsibility to be a steward of the Earth's fragile climate system. Sarah's journey continued, taking her far from the depths of the ocean and the heart of the rainforest to a place where the Earth met the vast expanse of the cosmos, the final frontier. One clear night, she found herself on the top of a remote mountain, far from the glow of city lights. The stars overhead shimmered with a brilliance that took her breath away. She met an astronomer, a passionate seeker of the cosmos, who explained the wonders of the universe and our place within it. The astronomer pointed out constellations, galaxies, and nebulae, and Sarah couldn't help but feel a sense of awe and insignificance. The Milky Way, our home galaxy, arched across the sky, a swirling river of stars and gas that stretched beyond imagination. Sarah learned about the scale of the universe, where our solar system was just a speck in a cosmic sea of galaxies. She marveled at the concept of light years, the distance light traveled in a year, and how it allowed us to peer back in time, observing distant stars and galaxies as they were millions of years ago. As the night wore on, the astronomer introduced Sarah to the mysteries of black holes, the remnants of massive stars that had collapsed under their own gravity. These enigmatic cosmic objects had such powerful gravitational forces that nothing, not even light, could escape their grasp. They were celestial wonders that challenged our understanding of the universe. Sarah also learned about the ongoing search for extraterrestrial life. The astronomer explained that Earth was just one of countless planets in the universe, and the conditions for life might exist elsewhere. Scientists had sent probes to distant planets and moons, seeking signs of microbial life and hoping to answer the age-old question, are we alone in the cosmos? As she gazed up at the night sky, Sarah couldn't help but feel a profound sense of wonder and curiosity. The universe was a vast, mysterious, and awe-inspiring place, and it beckoned humanity to explore its depths and unlock its secrets. The astronomer shared stories of space exploration, of astronauts who had ventured beyond Earth's atmosphere to walk on the moon and spacecraft that had ventured to the distant reaches of our solar system. These feats of human ingenuity were a testament to our boundless curiosity and our desire to explore the unknown. As dawn broke and the first light of the sun began to paint the sky, Sarah realized that the Earth was not just a planet but a fragile oasis in the vast cosmos. It was a place where life had flourished, where ecosystems had thrived, and where the wonders of the universe could be observed and understood. With a heart full of wonder and a newfound appreciation for the Earth's place in the cosmos, Sarah continued her journey. She knew that the final frontier was a reminder of our endless capacity for discovery and exploration, both of the world around us and the universe beyond. And so, with the stars as her guide, she ventured forward, eager to see what other wonders the Earth had in store. After a journey that had taken her through rainforests, mountains, oceans, and the depths of the cosmos, Sarah found herself at a crossroads. Her adventure had been a voyage of discovery, a pilgrimage through the wonders of Earth and the universe beyond. But now, as she stood on the precipice of returning home, she realized that her journey was not just about exploration, it was about understanding, appreciation, and responsibility. With a heart brimming with the knowledge she had gained, Sarah made her way back to her starting point. As she returned to her familiar surroundings, she couldn't help but view the world through a different lens. Every tree, every river, and every star in the night sky held a deeper significance, a connection to the Earth's intricate web of life and the vast cosmic dance. She knew that the journey was far from over. In fact, it had only just begun. Armed with the insights she had gained from scientists, indigenous people, and fellow travelers she had met along the way, Sarah was determined to share her experiences and knowledge with the world. Her mission was to inspire others to appreciate and protect the remarkable planet they all called home. Sarah's first stop was a local school, where she shared her stories of the rainforest's biodiversity, the Earth's dynamic geology, the mysteries of the ocean, the intricacies of the atmosphere and climate, and the wonders of the cosmos. She hoped that by igniting the curiosity of young minds, she could plant the seeds of future scientists, explorers, and conservationists. Next, she organized community events to raise awareness about the importance of environmental conservation. She spoke about the delicate balance of ecosystems, the threat of climate change, and the need for sustainable practices. Together with local volunteers, she initiated cleanup campaigns and tree planting projects to make a tangible difference in her community. Sarah's journey also took her to scientific conferences, where she collaborated with experts from various fields. She shared her observations and experiences, contributing to the collective understanding of the Earth's wonders and challenges. She realized that solutions to global issues required a collaborative effort, and she was eager to be a part of that effort. As time passed, Sarah's message began to resonate with people far and wide. Her stories of the Earth's wonders, combined with the urgency of protecting them, inspired individuals and communities to take action. Conservation efforts gained momentum, and policies were enacted to address environmental concerns. The world was beginning to recognize the importance of safeguarding the planet for future generations. But Sarah knew that the journey was ongoing. There was still much to learn, discover, and protect. The Earth was a complex and fragile masterpiece, and the responsibility to care for it rested on the shoulders of every person. Her journey had been a testament to the wonders of the world, but it was also a call to action, a call to cherish, preserve, and continue exploring the extraordinary planet they all shared. And so, with each new dawn, Sarah embarked on a different kind of journey, a journey of advocacy, education, and stewardship. It was a journey that would span a lifetime, for the wonders of the Earth were boundless, and the responsibility to protect them eternal. As she looked out at the world, she knew that her adventure had only just begun, and she was determined to make every step count in the ongoing story of Earth's wonders.